everyone, welcome to the Spark News. We're bringing you the latest news updates from around the country, covering events that matter most to you. Stay with us as we dive into stories that impact our communities, our economy, and our everyday lives.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has highlighted the vital role of technology in shaping the future of journalism. In his recent statement, the president said that digital tools and modern platforms have transformed the way stories are told and shared, making information more accessible to the public. He encouraged journalists to use technology responsibly to spread truth, fight disinformation, and protect press freedom. Marcos also emphasized that innovation should go hand in hand in integrity, reminding everyone that technology is not only as powerful as the people who use it.
Ang laganap na fake news, ng disinformation, ang hindi makatotohanang kwerto. Gumamit yung iba ng AI, huwag nating paniwalaan. Ang responsableng pamamahayag at pagsusulat ay manggagaling sa mga eskwelahan, sa NSPC. Kayo ang pag-asa, for truly the truth shall set us free. Gamitin ninyo ang inyong sandata sa tama. This is the real score. Pasabot ang Young Creatives Challenge.
And Madam herself, Senator Eileen Marcos.
Salitang impresaryo. Ano kaya ibig sabihin ito? Ang impresaryo daw, magpapalabas ng talagang kagila-kilala. Kaya, it's a spectacular show that will leave a deep and lasting impression. Impresaryo.
The power of convergence with Viva, MCN of Google and Globe. I'm very proud to say that I'm the only filmmaker who has 11 million followers on Facebook.
The sooner we realize this script, not just for the theater, but for all creative fields, the better